Good morning, everyone. Namaskar. Namaskar, everyone. How are you? Hi. My little girl. Hi. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you all. Good morning. Nice to meet you. Good morning, Yosha. I am fine. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. I'm fine. Thank you, Maya, Divyanshu. Welcome, Becha. Welcome, everyone. So, did you finish your breakfast? Did you finish your breakfast or not? क्या हुआ दिव्यांशु? मस्ती कर रहा है। दिव्यांशु मस्ती कर रहा है। अब ये लास्ट वाला पीरियड है इसलिए। ओह माय गॉड, क्या कर रहा है? क्या हुआ? क्या देखो ही। So let us start our today's session by praying to God, everyone. So fourth prayer, how to sing? कैसे बैठना है हमको prayer के लिए? Turn on your camera. Turn on your camera. Yes, very good. Okay, everyone, turn your hand. Straight. Join your hands. Priya. Ishwathanvi, close your eyes. Right, close everyone and turn on your camera. Yes, Nikki, with me. यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् Relax, rub your hands, children. Apply on your face and slowly. Okay. श्रुतन्वी, प्रेयर के टाइम आपकी आइज क्यों क्लोज नहीं थी बेटा? हमने एक बार बीच में देखा था, आपकी आइज ओपन थी। श्रुतन्वी, वाई बच्चा? नेक्स्ट टाइम अभी ऐसा होगा, अदरवाइज मैम अभी आपको पनिशमेंट देगी जो ऐसे करेंगे बार बार उसको। ओके, सो मेक श्योर नेक्स्ट टाइम में नहीं होना चाहिए। ओके, बिकॉज यू ऑल आर गुड गर्ल एंड गुड बॉय। गुड गर्ल एंड गुड बॉय होता है, मैम को उसको बार बार बोलना पड़ता है। बोलना पड़ता है कभी तो फिर है ना। ओके, सो फर्स्ट we do one exercise with our topic related. Okay, चलो सारे बच्चे अपना कैमरा ऑन करेंगे। Everyone please turn on your camera if possible. Everyone please turn on your camera. Okay, अब मुझे बताना जो मैं एक्शन करूँ ना। See, look at my mouth. मेरे माउथ में देखना मैं कैसे एयर ब्लो करूँगी अपने माउथ में। See. क्या हो गया? जब मैंने एयर ब्लो की माउथ में, तो मेरा फेस कैसे हो गया? कैसे हो गया? है ना? फिर मैंने एयर बाहर निकाल दी माउथ में से, ऐसे किया ना मैम ने, तो कैसे हो गया? एम्प्टी, थीन हो गया। थीन हो गया ना? थिक और थीन हमने लर्न किया ना कॉन्सेप्ट। चलो डू वन मोर टाइम, डू वन मोर टाइम। Arna, do with me. Arna, do with me. Yes, Hattie. Hattie, look at here. Hattie, look at here. Yes. Again, one more time. हो गया? Thin, thick, thin. Right? तो आपको मजा आया? अपनी गेम में मजा आया? Okay. So now, what did we learn in our previous session? What did we learn in our previous session? Let me know, everyone. Yes, number name. Division of the number name. Okay, everyone. Today we are to learn revision of all the topic. Revision for the all. So in the attendance, yes, very good, Hattie. In the attendance, you have to write there instead of yes, ma'am. Instead of yes, ma'am, you have to write there yes, all topics name. Because today we are going to revise all the topics. Because tomorrow itself, see Sampurna, ये Sampurna, like this. Sampurna, आपने ऐसे कर रहे थे? Yeah, love you. Okay, so tomorrow itself your exam, yes, in the first paper of the English. Okay, everyone. So please do revision properly. Do revise all the topic with all the subject. Okay, everyone. So first in the attendance. ओके, सारे आप टॉपिक का नाम लिखोगे आज, क्योंकि आज हम रिवीजन करेंगे सारे का. ओके, और मैं सबका नाम नहीं बोलूंगी. मेक श्योर यू हैव टू डू बाय ऑन सेल्फ विदाउट फेल. आरना, अंश, अर्थ, भव्या, धार्मिक, धिया, पूर्व, ध्यान, त्रांबड़िया, ध्यान जकाशनिया, हर्षिली. Yes, all the topic, right? After, before, number name, square shape, rectangle, right? Smallest number, biggest number, comparison, thick and thin, likewise. Okay? क्योंकि आज हम सबका रिवीजन करने वाले हैं. हर्षिली, हैती, जयवीर, चेरिश, कीर्तिराज, माहिया, मंजीत, मन, मिदुनेश, मोक्षा, नीति, परम, पूर्व, धिया, रूही, संपूर्णा, श्रिया, श्रुतनवी, विहान सिंह एंड विहान डेकीवाडिया. Okay, everyone. So now let's reading your answer. Arth Bansal, yes, number name. Hattie, number name. Only number name? We have to learn only number name? Dhyan, yes, square shape. Shriya, what is SSS? Ruhi, square, thick and thin. Midunesh, 80%, yeah. Yes, 55. Chayveer, yes, beta, I want the every topic name. कौन कौन से हमने लर्न कर लिए है? भव्या रेक्टेंगल, ये तो कल का हो गया बच्चा. रेक्टेंगल, सर्कल, कंपैरिजन. यस विहान, वेरी गुड. शेप्स, नंबर नेम, थिक, थिन, yes, big, small, comparison, right? We all the topic learned the priorly. Kirtiraj, yes. Vihan. Shriya, Midunesh, Hasili, number names, thick, thin, concept, comparison, shapes, after, before and between. Yes, very good. Vihan, Dodia, earth, greater than, less than. Very good. We have to consider greater than and less than in the comparison. Okay beta. Earth, Bhavya and Dharmik. Yes, thick and thin. Midunesh. Manka, Sundra. Yes, mango tree is thick, in the coconut is thin. Very good. Very good, man. Number name, Earth, Bansal, biggest, smallest is. Very good. Diya and Purva, comparison between, yes, the thick, thin, circle, square shape. Shriya, Thakkar, number name, biggest, smallest, thick, thin. Yes, very good, Shriya. Comparison, big, small, greater than and less than. Sampurna, yes, big and small, thick, thin, after, before and between numbers. Number name, circle, square. Manjit. Yes, Bhavya and Dharmik. Very good. Now, who is the remaining for the answer? I think Vihan, Dodia, Jaivir. Yes, Vihan Singh, Dodia, only they have to mention on the circle. Vihan Singh, Vihan Dekiwadia. Yes, good, square, number and the number. Names, thick, thin, big, small. Okay. Now, I think Jaivir and, yes. Yes, Mahia. Comparison sign. Okay. You want to say comparison sign, na, bacha? Yes, very good. Cherish, Niti. Niti, I want answer from your side also. Yes. Yes, Cherish. Okay, everyone. Where is the Niti? नीति बेटा, आप आज भी आपकी वो नहीं आई आंसर मुझे. Okay, everyone. So this is our topic we already learned in our session, right? Previous session. So today we are going to revision with all the topics. So are you all ready with me? Are you all ready with me or not? Yes. So be ready with your beautiful smile and fresh mind. Okay, everyone. Okay, and take out your notebook. Take out your notebook, everyone. Done? Done, everyone? Okay, first on the top we have to write CW. First on the top we have to write CW. After that, yes, which date? Very good. Very good, Babu. Yesterday was 20, right? Yesterday was 20. So today is 21st of September to 2021, right? 21st of September 2021. Done, everyone? Done. After that, yes, which day is today? Write down by own self. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Done? Okay. After that, our heading would be, yes, only revision. Okay, right? So आज का हमारा हम ऐसे नहीं लिखेंगे सारे अलग अलग टॉपिक वाइज. So we have to mention here only revision all the topic, revision of all the topic. REVISION. Done. नीति आपकी आंसर नहीं आ रही है मुझे. ओके. हेलो नीति. बेटा आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख क्यों नहीं रहे हो कुछ भी? सॉरी. यस बेटा मैं ऐसे बोल रही हूँ, आपकी मम्मा को बोलो आपको चैट बॉक्स में मैम जो बोले ने आपका उसको आंसर लिखना है. ओके. आप नहीं लिखोगे तो मैम को कैसे पता चलेगा आपको आया नहीं आया? राइट. मम्मा कहाँ है आपके? मम्मा को बोलना है आपको. ओके. क्या बोलोगे? मैम ने बोला है. आपको मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है बेटा क्लास में? आप सुन पाते हो मेरी वॉइस और नहीं? तो मैं जैसे बोलती हूँ सारे बच्चे मुझे आंसर देते हैं, तो आप क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो बेटा? आपको भी चैट बॉक्स में लिखना चाहिए ना मैम जो पूछे वो. राइट. ये मैंने आपको कितनी बार बोला? 4 या 5 टाइम मैंने आपको बोला है ये चीज, फिर भी मुझे आज फिर से मुझे आपको बोलना पड़ा. राइट.
राइट मैम.
ओके. सो मेक श्योर नेक्स्ट टाइम में नहीं होना चाहिए. यू गिव मी आंसर एवरी टाइम. ओके. हाँ. ओके एवरीवन, लेट्स गो अहेड.
ओके.
So here we done our heading, yes, with the revision all the topic. First I would draw here, yes, two candle. Please draw here, draw in your notebook everyone. First two sleeping line. After that this curve with circle, semicircle, right? After that, yes, okay, done. Okay, done everyone. Done this thick candle, and the nearest we have to draw one more candle. Yes. Okay, done everyone. So this one is A and this one is big. Done everyone. Done or not? Give me answer. Okay, no problem. Okay, Kirtiraj. So here I draw here two candle. One is a thick and one is a thin. So let me know everyone which object has a thin candle. Take the thin candle. तो आप किसके ऊपर आप टिक करोगे? ऑब्जेक्ट ए या ऑब्जेक्ट बी? Which object? Yes, have you tick? Yes, B, right? तो एग्जाम में भी आपको ऐसे ही मैं ट्विस्ट करके कुछ भी पूछ सकती हूँ. So make sure do revise every topic. Okay, so we have to tick on it. Right? एग्जाम में ऐसे भी आ सकेगा कि A and B. तो आपको किस में करना है टिक? B के ऊपर. Done. So and this one is okay. Yes, very good Divyanshu. Very good. Dharmik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Please give me which object has which group has a thick candle?
Thick candle कौन से इसमें है? A.
Very good. And which is the thin candle?
B.
Which part is it? Yes, very good. Clap for both. And now, Bhavya, are you there?
Yes. Ma'am.
Okay. Please, yes. Please let me know, Bhavya. One more thing. Yes. And this is the, which part has a thick, which group has a thick object? Please tick the correct object. Which group has a thick object?
A.
Yes, very good. So we have to tick on it. Alphabet A, group A. Okay, thank you. After that, our next would be yes. आप लोग मुझे बताओगे, is this correct or not? Right? Is this correct or not? Here I draw square shape and also spelling of the square. Now give me answer. Okay, is this correct or not? Is this correct or not? The spelling of the square, this is a square shape, S-Q-U-A-R-E. So, is this correct or not? Who said no? Purva India, square का spelling wrong है? Maya? Correct. So, आप कौन सा ऑप्शन आप चूज करोगे? ऑप्शन ए या बी? Yes. So we have to tick on it. A. We have to choose the correct option because this spelling is correct. This is the spelling of the square, S-Q-U-A-R-E. Yes. Okay, no problem. So ऐसे ही आपको क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में होगी. ओके बेटा. आफ्टर दैट I draw here group A and group B. So please 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10. And then group B has the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now tell me children, which group has a more object? Which group has a more object? अब किसके ऊपर टिक करोगे? Okay, now is it visible clearly or not? Is this visible or not? Okay, ready? Okay, so which group has a more object? Very good. So आपको क्वेश्चन को, मैं वहां पर होगी, क्वेश्चन अच्छे से रीड करूंगी, फिर भी आपको क्वेश्चन को पहले समझना है, उसके बाद ही करेक्ट आंसर चूज करना है. Okay, so group A has a more object, that's why we have to tick on it. Okay. Done? ये पेज डन हो गया आपका? Done this page everyone or not? Okay. Okay, no problem beta. Where is Niti? Niti, give me answer. Are you going with me or not? आप मेरे साथ चल रहे हो? Are you doing with me or not? Okay, everyone. So let's go with the another page. Okay, thank you. Shriya, done beta? Shriya didi, done bacha? Okay. Now done? Okay, so let's take with the another page and here I draw again some object 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and here only true. Okay, and now let me know, kids, which sign we have to put it here? Which sign we have to put it here? This is group A, group B. आपको इसमें से करेक्ट साइन यहाँ पर ऑप्शन दिए गए होंगे, राइट? विच साइन वी हैव टू पुट इट हियर? Yes, why this sign we have to put it here? Because group A has more object, and crocodile always more value, more things, and crocodile always open their mouth toward the more food, right? So we have to put it here, sign of the greater than. Done? Yes, Sampurna. Good. Purva, Diya, Shrutanvi, Hati, Dhyan, Arth, Harshili, Midunesh, Shriya. Where is the Vihan? Vihan Dekivadia, Vihan Singh Dodia, Dhyan Trambadia, Dhyan Jakashaniya. Yes, very good. Where is the Dhyan Jakashaniya? Param and Niti. Done everyone? Now I'll give you one more example. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me know, children, which sign we have to put it here. Yes, this one. This is less than. So we have to told like this also. Group A has a less object comparatively. Group B. Group A has a, yes, 7 standing line, and group B has a 8 standing line. So crocodile always open their mouths toward the big object. So group A has a less thing. Yes. Group A has a less thing comparatively B. Okay. Okay, less than. Very good. Now after that, now I'll draw here some object. Okay. This is carom. Sorry, this first one is, yes, TV. Second one is carom, and third one is watch. Okay, now let me know which object we consider in the rectangle shape. Which object we consider in the rectangle shape? यहाँ पर आपको कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट ऐसा दिख रहा है जो रेक्टेंगल शेप बिलोंग करता है? TV. Very good. And then second one is square, right? And third one is, very good everyone, very good. And third one is circle. Very good. So हमारा अभी क्वेश्चन क्या था कि which object we consider in the rectangle shape. Okay, very good. After that, how many corner has square shape? How many corner has a square shape? 4, 6, yeah, 7. How many corner has a rectangle shape? Yes, very good. Very good. So we have to, yes, correct on the A option. Okay. Now next one is, please give me answer. Please give me number name of 4 tens and 5 ones. Okay. Yes, very good everyone. 4 10 and 5 ones is 45. Wow, a big clap for you everyone. Dhyan, very good, very nice. Give me number name of the, yes, give me number name of the 4 tens and 5 ones. $45. Second one, 5 and 60. So which is the correct? Very good. Which is the correct? Yes, 45. 4 tens, 5 ones. Yes. What is the number name of 4 tens and 5 ones? Very good. 45. Clap for yourself. After that, give me one more answer. 5 tens and 5 ones. Give me number name of, yes, 5 tens and 5 ones. Number name, yes, Dhyan, very good. I want the number name, yes, 55. Dhyan, very nice. Shrutanvi, 55, yes. Sampurna, I want the number name of the 5 tens and 5 ones. Very good, very good. Now next one is, please give me the number. Give me the number 9 tens. Which number will make 9 tens and 3 ones? Which number will make 9 tens and 3 ones? कौन सा number बनाता है? Wow, very good, Divyanshu, Shrutanvi, yes, Arth, Kirtiraj, Purva, Heti, Vihan, Tekiwadia, Sampurna, Dhyan. Wow, Diya and Purva, very nice. Dhyan, Trambadia, Harshili Sethi, Man Kasundra, Ruhi Patel, Jaiveer Singh Jadeja. Wow, clap for yourself, everyone. A big hug for you also, a tight hug for you. Yes, 93, very good. So, and then one more. Yes, please give me one more answer. Yes. A, B and C. 98, 88, 77. Which is the biggest number from 3 number? Take the biggest number. So which number you have to choose? Yes, 99. So we tick on the number 98. After that, one more question, please. Tick the smallest number. Take the smallest number. Which is the smallest number? Very good everyone. So we have to tick on a C object, right? 66 is the biggest number. Okay everyone. So this is your, and also we have to done, yes, after, before, between, missing number, and also 1 to 60 number name, right? And then shapes, thick, thin, more, less, okay, and with the comparison. So this is your today's revision of the all the topic, right? Mahia, show it to me, beta. Here, 6 tens, smallest. 6 tens, 6 ones, max number 66, and 66 is the smallest number. Welcome बच्चा, welcome बेटा. It's okay, no problem. आपका नहीं finish हुआ है तो please, if you finish your class work, show it to me your class work. Otherwise, click its picture and send it to me, everyone. So this is here we done our all the revised topic, right, with the class work in the notebook, right? Yes, Maya. Yes, bacha, very good. Okay, no problem. Click its picture and send it to me. I can't see properly. Beta, मुझे clearly नहीं दिख रहा है. Okay, please parents, let me know. Did you having any query regarding the any topic? Please, अभी भी आपको कुछ भी query हो तो मुझे पूछ सकते हो. Did you understood all the topic? Because tomorrow will be start your exam in the first paper. Yes, English. Okay? Okay. So, we will meet tomorrow again. Please keep revise, keep smiling, do your best. Yeah, okay, beta, do your best. And best of luck for your exam, and good luck for your bright future. Okay, everyone? So, bye, namaskar, love you all, welcome beta, welcome all, and thank you parents, cooperation with every time. Welcome everyone, namaskar, bye.